How to fix action not available in Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to fix action not available in Roblox. The first step is to open the Roblox mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you are inside the app, scroll through the homepage and open any game of your choice. When the game opens, try scrolling down and tapping on the like or dislike buttons, because the error usually appears when you try to interact with the game this way. In my case, the error does not appear, but I will show you the solution. Exit the game and come back to the homepage of Roblox. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the option named More, which is represented by 3 dots. Once you are on the More page, scroll through the options that are available until you find the Settings option and tap on it. This will open the Settings page of your Roblox account. On this page, tap on Account Info. Wait for the page to finish loading and display your account details. Here, you will see the information linked to your Roblox account. Make sure your email and phone number are verified because most of the time the error happens due to unverified account details. If either your phone number or email is not verified, go through the steps to verify them. Once you have verified both, the Action Not Available error should be fixed. The process is that simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you know how to fix the Action Not Available error in Roblox. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix Action Not Available in Roblox.